Hello
It's in my mouth!
to all you pixel lovers and welcome back to another HTML episode. I think it's episode 6.
This is my kingdom come. This is my kingdom come.
We want to talk about how to bring an image into our site and all the things we can add along with it. Before I start our HTML journey, let me introduce a useful site to you all. This one, W3 School. This is an interesting one. This site is the best for people that want to learn various programming languages such as Python, C#, C++, and HTML and CSS too. This site is the best for starting to learn a computer language. For example, if you want to learn HTML, in this tab you can find everything that is related to HTML. Like for example, I want to, let's say, bring a video to my site. You see, the source and codes, everything related to video can be found here. I'm definitely not gonna teach you all the tags that exist. You will only learn some essential tags from me. But you can always learn the rest of them by yourself, depends on what you need. As you can see, anything you need to know is all here. Links, image, CSS, everything. You can get ideas from this site, learn stuff, and a lot more. So don't forget about this, check it for yourself. Alright, let's get back to our tutorial. Do the usual things as you know, creating file and folder. And let's start. As I said, we're gonna talk about images, how to bring it to our site and changes its features. Before I start adding an image with tags, let's make a new folder and put that image there. Alright, let's open the main folder and copy the image there. You're gonna need it in future. Now you can see here that I have an image in this file. What I wanted to do is to add this image with tags into this HTML document. In order to do that, I need a tag called img, which is the shorten of image. This tag also has some attributes. One of them is src, which is actually the address to my image, or in another word, where it's located. Another attribute is alt, which is important for SEO rules. For example, if for whatever reason the images in my site doesn't load, this attribute will write a text on the unloaded image. I'm sure you've seen it before in many other sites. Now I do have a question. Does this word I wrote here will be considered as a text or an image? Well, let's see. I said that src is actually the address of our image, but we have two kinds of addresses. One of them is when you get the address from another site in your browser. Let me find a picture, for example. This one will be good. All I need to do is to copy this address and paste it into this attribute. Simple as that. Let's check the output. We can see that I can see this photo in my site. From where? From the same site that I copied the address. Let's just type some random letters so it can't find the photo. And when that happens, you see what I wrote in alt attribute. And to answer the first question, this sorry text will not be considered as a text. It behaves like an image. Alright, now another way to address as an image is to find it from your own computer. In here, I have a folder and a file with a picture in it. And they're all in this main folder. Now if I write slash, it immediately detects this folder and my picture. And there's the output. This is the image in the main folder. Now I want this photo to take me to another site as soon as I click on it, or it kinda behaves as a link. You learned tag A, which is for links in previous episodes. We need to use it here. Open tag A and its attributes. For now, it's gonna be empty. Close the tag and in here copy the same code for image. Now in href, copy any URL and you're done. As you can see, whenever I hover my mouse on this picture, the cursor changes, and if I click on it, it takes me to a site. Oh, and one crucial thing about this attribute. Make sure to always put a slash behind the addresses you take from your own PC. Don't forget to put it there because it's very important for this slash to exist. I think that's all for this episode. Thank you all for watching this one. You give us a lot of energy by just watching our videos. Like every time, don't forget to like and make that subscribe button happy. Oh, and write some comments too. See you again in another episode. Bye bye.